Ife twalahiri KTV tikukupemphani kuti tapangani like, share, komanso subscribe alendo nonse pano pa Lahiri KTV kuchimake kwa nkhani ndi mapulogalamu osiyanasiyana osasira panjira video iyi.
Amalawi Pepan, maybe this is the last comment I'm making on your elections. Apparently, I thought it was just one prophet that had predicted that President Chakwera was going to win and Professor Mtarika was going to lose. Can't see they were a lot.
A prophet kamilano ndi Amalawi afuna dziwe. Tiyamba ndi chipande chimodzi.
Okay.
What is God saying about the Ambire MCP?
Well, MCP win as a sanko.
That is what God
Go ahead.
saying. Look at the camera and
MCP win as a sanko. MCP go panda winner. Then I'm not a prophet. I'll go back to the village, start farming, maybe tobacco. It will help. MCP will win the elections.
A prophet. What next step? Because it's oneka farm itana. Apa farm yoneka itana. Yoneka fodya itana kuti mukalime fodya. Ng'ombe zioneka zilindira apa, so mbuzi zioneka zilindira kufamu apa. Ero pali a professor munakamba bwanji?
God told me the professor was not supposed to lead the party. And if that happened, the party was going to have a good future. But since he clinged to power, something that he was lied to by those around him who were just selfish and had selfish reasons for that. That's why Chipanja Kangari Jaunongega. But I've said this several times on my Facebook page and as well now on my YouTube channel that Professor will not rule this country. You know, I'm a prophet. You have to understand how I speak about things. I speak with a certain strength, boldness. Why? It's derived from the special relationship, fellowship that I have with God. So when I speak, I know what I'm saying. And I'm shaking and I'm immovable.
right.
When I speak, I know. You know, I said this good. No, professor is not to rule this country. He's supposed to retire. You know, his age is against him. So,
Okay.
DBB, no.
Azibusa chitani concentrate pakulalikira chabe utenga wa Yehova. Izi zama predictions na ma prophesying, I think zinali za sogoleri akale. Zinali za atumiki akale, vene Nehemiah, vene Jeremiah, vene Daniel. I think they wanali ma imwe amanje mwete. Imwe simupusana na wene ama chaya betting. Imwe simusia, imwe muma becha chabe, muma panga ma ticket. Prophecy ine yake, there is no. Let's avoid this thing of predicting. Let's just concentrate on preaching the word of God. Let's allow people to stop this nonsense of prophesying. You'll be embarrassing yourselves. Asogoleli momwe munali mwakambira kuti ngati MCP zaluza DPP ikawina nishisindi mwasogoleli azona ndi mwaneneli aboza muzaenda chabe kufamu mukambe kulima fodya. I think it's time. Kalimeni fodya sogoleri. Kaoneni ng'ombe, kaoneni mbuzi. Nkumba ziembekeza kufamu. And I'm saying this without any remorse. I think we have misled people with these prophecies and it's so unfair. And I know that elections are coming in Zambia. Previously, we have seen what some of you papas do. Please respect yourselves. We don't want any predictions. Unless you are the one holding all the people's voters' cards. Otherwise, you'll be embarrassed. In fact, I don't want to incite violence. But those men of gold, as in GOLD, that were prophesying that the professor will not win, I think muwapoke ma license machechi yabo muyavale. Clearly they mislead the flock of God. So abo bantu sayenera kuyimirira ku altar. They are misleaders. Otherwise ngati mufuno chama predictions kuno ku Zambia tinayo 1xbet. Now konizwa kuti mulinayo ma betting companies. Esani kupanganiko ni ma ticket using ma betting companies. Osa pangira ma ticket pankosa za mfumu mulungu. Babantu wa mfumu mulungu. Pangani ma ticket chabe. You can come here, register with 1xbet, use my promo code Ken Dumbo. You get a bonus of up to 300% when you make a deposit after creating the account. That's the only way you can make money. Not this thing of kugonga bana. It should be the first. And in Zambia, please, we don't want to hear anyone prophesying who is going to win the 2026 elections. If God has shown you, just keep the pictures and the videos in your mind, in that head of